This is the My Parts of a Plant Flipbook. You're going to need a couple things. You're going to need something to color with. You will need scissors of some kind and a writing utensil. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut the dashed line just to the middle of the page. So you'll notice I kind of gave myself a fold mark. So I just really quickly folded my paper in half, which is what it will look like when it's finished. But then I opened it back up again just so I could really easily see where I am supposed to cut to. Okay, it's because we are only going to be cutting half of this. So the first thing that you're going to do is just get your pair of scissors and cut along those dashed lines. But remember, we are stopping at the halfway point. So again, you don't have to fold it in half, as long as you remember ahead of time that you only are going to cut this to the halfway point in your paper. Even I kind of cut it a little bit shorter than that even, which I think will be completely fine. Okay, so I have cut my paper. Now I can refold it, and now you can kind of see that it is a flip book, meaning, and then, you know, if you didn't quite cut it enough, you can rip it just a little bit out just to make sure that you can open up each individual part. So when you open each part, yeah, I'm going to need to rip this just a tad. There we go, perfect. You're opening each part, you will be able to add writing about each part of the plant. So you'll notice there's 3 parts that I'm going to want you to write about. I'm going to want you to write about the roots, the stem and leaves, and the flower. Okay? Roots, stem and leaves, and the flower. Okay? So there's going to be 3 parts of the plant that I'm going to want you to focus on. Obviously on this side, you can just go ahead and write your name. And of course, once you're finished with the writing, I would love for you to color this in. It's a lot of fun to color these flowers in, and I would love to see the finished product. Hope you have fun with this one.